Alright, so hello. I wanted to make a jump scare in this video. I didn't make a YouTube video for a while on making my own custom story because there was this demo release, and now I'm, making kind of better, remaking the old locations basically, and also making new ones and working on a full conversion and all of that. So um, I'm planning the full release to be released on October this year. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to make it. We'll see. However, I wanted to share with you a jump scare that I already have, or not jump scare, but like a setup of atmosphere, and then jump scare that we're gonna create today, basically. The jump scare will be very original. Okay, it's basically gonna be breaking the fourth wall, and actually I don't know if this is a good idea to make a video on because I'm going to spoil it, but um, I really just want to make something. So I add like some things already in the cast, but we're not gonna go over it today. I'm going to speed it up. So basically here, there wasn't. So the point is that in a demo, you start in a winery, and you have this first appearance of the ghost lady, right? Or like the shadow, depends how you call her. And she kind of walks around, and you see her going into castle. But the issue is that there the castle is kind of relaxing, which is the point of it. But I wanted to make a dark room where you go, and where you go, which is the guest rooms, and there will be a certain atmospheric setup for that. The issue, however, is that it's only here in the third doors where you open the door. It's right now locked for a reason. Oh, you open the door and you can see her appear 1 second, and then piano starts. That's it. That's the whole scare event, which is not good. So what I did is now I locked the doors, and you can only go to this manual Gibraltar room. And now basically the script will turn on, and this is the setup that I have so far. Now obviously I need to add like some sounds, the birds, the light turning off, and some other things to make the thing. But basically the premise is kind of good, right? Because it set up the atmosphere pretty well. Then we go here, expect something, I guess. It's nothing. And now we go to that third sign, and there will be not a maybe. I don't know if I should keep the appearance there. I don't really think so. Yeah, but basically you go into a certain script, and now the jump scare starts, and the jump scare will be very weird. Actually, the jump scare will start when you click on this body, because I think everyone will click on this body. The body is the main kind of appearance of this room, so everyone want to go close to it, like what is going on, and they're gonna click on the hand. So when they're gonna click on the hand, now I'm going to do a certain things, and the certain things are very interesting. Okay, so what is gonna happen is there will be a certain glitch sounds for like Windows. So I don't know if you know if you know exactly what I mean, but basically it's gonna think that the player has some certain notifications on on the device he's playing on, and then it's gonna transition into blue screen. So when you have like a blue screen, like the PC just fully crashed, and this is gonna be a screen message. I'm going to turn off all the global sounds. I'm going to set the player. I'm gonna deactivate the player. The only thing that he could do is escape, where you have these options. I don't think I can disable that. Um, but basically, in some time, I'm going to make the Shadow Lady jump scare him completely in front of the face, completely making some screen shakes and some kind of teleportation of her, and really just scare the player a lot, and then start the piano playing, I guess, and have something like a voice line. Uh, yeah, some voice line there. So, I hope you get it. Uh, and if you don't, then we're gonna see. I hope it's gonna be good. Because yeah, that's just some idea that I had. I can It can be kind of out of place, but we'll see. You need to experiment to try some ideas. Maybe it's fully stupid. I don't know. We'll see. So what we're gonna actually do is that I'm going to make her appear here, right? Yeah, I'm going to make her appear again. So she's gonna appear now here in the corner, which I delete because I thought we don't need it. But I'm going to start the event when the player is going to click on this examination. Now the examination I'm going to remove after it's being called, so it's not going to happen more than once. And we're going to go into Castle's HPS. I'm going to change the language to C++. And we're going to find the examination point, which should be somewhere at the end, right? So we're going to see how it calls examination 10. All right, so examination 10, this is the one. So I'm going to add a timer. We need to make it least obvious as possible. So let's do like 2 seconds. Windows sound. So we made add timer Windows sound. I'm going to make a follow-up to it. So Windows sound string as in as timer. All right. And now we're gonna make. I like to also add like you know another HPS next of it, so I can find simply scripts and just copy it and put it here. It's going to make a C++. And so we're gonna make a place on an entity, and now I need to find Windows sound effect YouTube. Windows 11, I guess. I don't know. UI sounds. Let's see. Let's see that one. No, I don't want those. So Windows sound effect. This is XP. I don't want XP. I want 10, I guess. Yeah, this one. I think that's a good one. I think everyone will play it. Yeah, I think that's a good one. Oh yeah, foreground actually. Foreground. No, we're gonna use them both. Oh my god, I love it actually. I actually do love this idea. I don't know, maybe it's not gonna be that good, but we need to try. We need to try for sure. So background and then foreground. Basically, we're gonna do two. Wait, there's one more here. Oh, okay, that's nothing. So we're gonna download it, and we're gonna go into Audacity. Yeah, let's go into Audacity, and we're gonna make them different. We're gonna differentiate them. We're gonna put them into sounds. Windows 1, Windows 2. And it's gonna be fun. All right. So we're gonna do this. I will make them a bit higher. Right. Yeah, just like that. And this one. I know this one a lot. I don't like that sound, but it's very it's very like I don't think you have like a different Windows sound, so I think this is very common. I think everyone knows about that. So yeah. All right. So current selection. We're gonna name it Windows One. It's gonna be OGG. We're gonna put into sounds, and we're also gonna put O3. Actually, O4. We're gonna put O4 because yeah, right. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do the same, just O4 Windows 2. Nice. Right. So that should be working now. So let's see. Windows 1, Windows 2. Cool. So now we need sound effect. So let's copy this. .cnt file. Just gonna change this. Nice. Volume 1. Minimum distance, doesn't matter. Fade, stream, false. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna do for the second as well. Cool. So we have the Windows sounds. I'm going to copy the name and we're gonna put it here. So Windows, and it's gonna be obviously at the player. So, so I don't know, it's so funny. It's so funny to me. Now we're gonna make another timer. We can make a 2 seconds again. Why not? Windows sounds 2. Just gonna copy this Windows sound 2 and to here. All right. So now we have the trick with the sound, right? What now? So basically, um, I would, yeah, I would actually make the player crash almost instantly, right? So like the thing, yeah, I would make the player crash instantly. So like I would do 1 second crash. And what I would do now is that I would like turn off the global volume. So I don't know if there's some global volume. No. Um, yeah, I think here we have global volume, right? Global. Yeah, fade global volume. Exactly this. And we're gonna do 0 instantly. We need instantly. So 0, 0. We also need, this is basically, if you don't know what this means, this is basically making all the sounds that are like in the map, they're fully like dismissed. That makes sense. They're not being heard. Like all the sounds, like wind and ambience, whatever is it. Um, Also stop music, right? Obviously. Stop music and yeah, I think that should do the trick. And so now we do like so we do like 2 seconds. I don't really want the player too much to be there for long, but we do crash 2 because he could like, you know, press like a escape. I really want this to work. And now we're gonna do the magical trick, which is show screen image. Now, there is an issue with that, so I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't think I'm going to make. We have it here. Yeah, nice. So this is the script basically for that. Show screen image. This is the PNG. So now we need to find blue screen windows. Um, yeah, exactly, but zero, zero, like zero complete. Um, Windows, but I need like large. Yeah. um, what is this? I need full screen. Okay, I guess I'm going to download this, but it seems I don't know. It's Aviv. Aviv to. I think we need PNG, right? Yeah, we need. I think we need PNG. Yeah. So let's put PNG there. I'm just going to convert it quickly. Boom. All right. No, no. Here we need in graphics, I guess. Yeah, we need in graphics or like billboards. No, I'm going to put here blue screen. Nice. So we're gonna use a blue screen PNG, and we need to basically those values are the size and how long it will be there. So obviously we need to go into HPL2 because I don't know exactly. Show screen image right here. So the first is X position, Y position, the size of the image in pixels, not scale. If negative, okay. Use the relative coordinates. Duration the image is displayed for. I guess we can go for 5 seconds now. Yeah. And not F. I don't want F. I want immediately disappear. The time in seconds to fade in the yeah. So immediately like 0. I'm going to put 0 there because we need like instantly, right? We need instantly, and we need instantly in, instantly out. I don't know what's that here. False. Duration, whatever x and it's whatever x and y are relative to the screen resolution or pixel score. If not, I don't really know what that means. So size, we need. Oh, we have it here. So we have full screen. We have full screen center here. So we can try this, I guess. Don't know if this is gonna work, but let's try this. So we should be having this, right? So we have it for 5 seconds. So we're gonna do 5 seconds. We're gonna do jump scare. Jump scare with a timer. Stringest timer. And now we're gonna basically, so what I wanted to do, I guess, is to, because I don't know where the player will be, right? So we need to teleport him. So I'm going to make a player start so we can like reliably, you know, reliably make him to teleport in the place where I want him to be at, basically, which is, can be here, why not? And then I need um, the monster here, monster, and I want her like literally like like a FNAF jump scare, you know, like completely in him basically. Um, so monster one, need to set entity active. Monster one, Thru, and also here we need to do a teleport. Teleport player, yes, exactly, teleport player. And how's it called? Glitch start. Let's call it glitch start just in case, because I think I already had player start too. Teleport player. So we teleport player, then we set monster Thru. We need to also obviously disable the effects for monster one, and those should be Lauren one, Lauren. Yeah, this is already done. Cool. And now we go back here. So we activate her, and I want to make her like a bit glitch out. Actually, no. I'm going to make a screen share, screen shake here, and we're gonna make some jump scare sound. Do I have something for her here? Oh yeah, the loud scream free, 100% the loud scream free. That's something that I have within the intro. Within the intro of this mod, where again the sounds can be different, but we'll see how it goes. Does she has disabled triggers? Oh, this is just okay. This is just scroll. I get it. Static physics, right? I guess. Yes, static physics. Okay, so now we're gonna make a timer for 2 seconds, and end of scare. And now basically we do fade out. Like 1 point, yeah, just 1. We do fade out, and we do like yeah, let's do like 1.5, so it's gonna be immediate. And Nice. Oops, I don't want that. Now I see that we could do like React pant, right? Where is pant? Is there pant? No. There should be pant somewhere here, I think. Rex scared. No, but pant is better. Wait, let me find pant. I have it in machinery. Play goose sound. I don't believe in goose sound. Goose sounds. I believe in play sound identity. Beautiful. Play sound identity. React pant player. Nice. Now we're gonna disable her and we're going to obviously fade in. Open 5 and we're also going to make another timer like 2 seconds. Monologue. And I need a different thing. Actually, I don't know if I want to put the monologue there. I'm not going to put it at now. We'll see later on, to be honest. Yeah. So fade in. Um, we disable her. We disable that. Yeah, I think it should be it. We need to set player active. We need to do this. But that's it. We can actually maybe do like a set message. Yeah, I guess we can do like a set message. So let's do monologue here, and we could definitely do set message here. So glitch message, and we're gonna go into lang. It's in castle. Glitch message. So I want to have message like she broke it. I guess it, no. It broke for fall. I don't really know if that's like a good statement, you know? Like maybe it just doesn't make really sense. Oops, I hope you didn't saw that. um yeah, it has it has I hope it has what it means. I hope I hope it I know I can't say what I want. I hope it means what I want it to mean. It broke a fourth wall. Basically, just like, yeah, I don't know. It basically gets into your PC. That's how dangerous the entity is, you know? So, yeah, it broke a fourth wall. I think that's a good way to end it. All right, so I think that's it. I think that's it. We should try it now. We should now, I think, try it. let's go. I don't know what to expect, but we'll see how it goes. I really want before the Seaverse something kind of disturbing happening like that. Or like, you know, it's not disturbing, but yeah, just jump scare because she or it because it's a shadow. Um, it basically wants to it needs to be set up, right? So yes, it can be mysterious, and it is mysterious, but it needs to be, yeah. Just wanted to make a scare. That's it. The problem is that in the second segment that I'm currently making, the dungeons and stuff are not paying attention to her because they're paying attention to the second enemy. So it's like Vinery, now the castle, and when you go into series, there is the first monster, as well as in gallery, right? Um, and then like you have just puzzles and not really the thing. And then in the dungeons there is the second monster, right? So there isn't really kind of that much space for it to show herself itself, but after that in Glass Domes, which is like the last segment where there is the astronomy theater and obviously the ending, that's where she has I'm saying always she, doesn't matter, that's where it has the most space basically too, because it's the last kind of, you know. I don't know what to expect. It's gonna be so random. Oh, the piano sound, I forget. Let's let it play. Then we're gonna click on it. Because I'm going to put it after that scare basically. Okay, we ready? I don't know what to expect. Alright. Okay. Um I don't know why she wasn't in my face, but I think it's good. I think it has a potential. Okay. Obviously, a lot of things are wrong. For example, these particles needs to stop moving, which I don't know really how to do. But there is nothing else than those particles, so that's fine. And it kind of worked, I guess. I need to test it more, but it's kind of working. So let's just fix some stuff there. So the first thing that I want to fix is obviously there should be somewhere. Yeah, that's the one. This one, yes, piano. Cool. So yeah, I can actually completely like put it here. We just need the piano sound. So basically, it broke the fourth wall. Or is it here? Glitch message. That's where we're gonna start the piano. And by the way, I don't know. I think I'm going to go into AI for help because fix grammar. It broke the four. Okay, I get it. It broke the. Yeah, I was saying like there's something off with that one, this thing. So it broke the fourth wall. That's a better way to put it. Another thing is that she wasn't in my face, which is yeah. I'm going to put her like this. I think it's fine. And also, I should put it like more. Actually, I think it's fine. Can I remove the particle here? I can definitely remove the particle, right? So this is flies. This is flies. So let's actually name it. So we don't need to name it. It's particle 7 and 6. Okay. So we can destroy particle system. Beautiful. Actually, can we? Yeah, it's the internal name. We should. All right. So where is all of the things? Yeah, this one. All right. So these three particles, 6 and 7. What a number. Awesome. So we destroy the particles, so now it's not gonna be like that. And there was like a weird kind of transition where, yeah, I really don't know, like, kind of weird transition where the blue screen appears. Obviously, the blue screen is completely messed up, which is sad. So I guess we can do like the negative. We can do like negative, right? And maybe it can work now. Because so it can have like the original size basically. We can put like false, I guess. We'll see how it goes now. And I also want to check if there is some sound surrounding light or bulb. No. Maybe it can be mesh for pics. I would really say so that it can be in mesh for pics. Like a light. Like a light flicker. Light flicker. Let's hear that one. Oh, this is it. Mm, okay. It's kind of too much, you know. It's not really. Yeah, it's not like a medieval age. Yeah, I mean, there isn't light bulb. What I'm saying, it's a torch. But actually, you know what? I like it. I actually like it. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, let's have like the. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's actually pretty cool. Um, so we can have that one. Sounds. light of 1. So we need three lights more, so we can have like the first one was good, I think. Yeah, I like this one. This can be the last one. This can be the last one, I think. Just copy this. Where is it? Lights off. Third. And we need, let's do 7. That's a good number. Not really, that's too loud. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. I know it's not a light bulb, but I like the sound, and I don't think it doesn't matter. I think if the sound will be good, then who cares? I don't care. Nice. So let's try one more. Let's go. Go into the game. Wonder how it's gonna sound now. Or how it's gonna be in general. I'll check if it's screening. Yeah, cool. Let's go. Oh, I didn't. I didn't put into scripts. Wait a second. Shadow disappear. Scary event. Closing door at props. No. That's different. Scare event. All right. So set and deactive flicker through. All right. So we're gonna use what we're gonna use. We're gonna use sound 1. Then we're gonna use. Where are we gonna use the sound 2? Flicker, sound 2, and then we're gonna use sound 3 here. Right. Cool. So let's try now. Going to take the lantern. Oh, that's so good. I like the sound. It can be way better in some ways, but that's fine. We're gonna polish it. But I wanted to make the foundation of it. No, I actually cannot do it. I actually cannot do it because I think this is gonna be it's gonna it's gonna do some heart attacks. I think this can do some heart attacks. So basically, I don't know if this is a good idea. Um, the problem is that the lantern is keep moving. What we can do about it is to like make the lantern turn off, which is a script that I have in. I have it somewhere. I think it's in machinery, in dialogue. Set lantern active. We need to put it false. But where? That's the question. Where and when and why? When when it all happens. Maybe that could do the thing. I don't know. We always need to put false, right? Um, but I think it's good. I just think we need to make it like way like 10 seconds. And the sound is kind of it's yeah, it can make people very like heart attack. I think we're gonna put one. That's not as loud and start screen shake. I don't know, screen shake kind of bad. Not gonna lie, the screen shake. Hmm. I think there was a good screen shake in dungeons. Yeah, but obviously it's not gonna be 53 seconds. It's gonna be like let's put like 8 seconds. And I'm going to also add the sound from the buzzing. Where is it? Heartbeat, and there should be a buzz. Ear ringing. Play sound identity ear ringing. That's it. Alright, so we're gonna use ear ringing. Ear. So we're gonna do stop sound. And like free here. Ear. Alright. So that's some like small change improvements. The blue screen was completely I don't know what's happening with the blue screen. Um, I don't understand really what it is. I'm going to put it into AI. Maybe it's gonna help me with that. Hey, I have a picture. It is right. Let's check it in graphics. Yeah. Alright. I didn't try that one. So, I think that's gonna be the thing now. Okay, let's try last time. Third time is a charm. I'm pretty tired, so there's so many glitch walls. Here is a glitch wall. I found already 4. I need to fix that. It's like there is a glitch wall. There was a glitch wall, and I also saw here somewhere. Yeah, and here. What the fuck? And I saw somewhere. I don't know. Stick the lantern. Going to do after that. All right. Okay, it's better. It broke the fourth wall. Um, it did not destroy the particles. Although, you know what? I'm going to like delete them in level editor, so we don't need to like bother about it. They're good, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. There could just be the sound effect, and also we need to put the where is it? Set lantern active. True and true. And here I forget to put it 10. Alright, that's why. Okay. So this is a bit problematic. I don't know why this happens now. Because of the skybox, I can see like things clearly. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I see. I don't really know what's the issue here, but it's better now. Yeah, it's better, but it goes here. Alright. Alright, so this is fixed, and one more with this line right here. Yeah, this is like such a newbie thing to like. I'm just going to fill the stones. Like, I don't really care about this. I think with the stones looks way better. You're not gonna see the line anyway, so yeah, it's fine. It's better actually. All right, so one more time, last time. This is gonna be the last one because everything is ready and set up. And obviously, I'm going to work on that, but let's see. I like it. I think it has potential. The issue is, for example, when you like turn off the lamp, it does the animation, and it does the animation in that time where everything stops, right? You kind of move when the sound isn't there. So that's the issue basically. So I need to disable the lantern a bit earlier, and that should do the trick. But again, why? Why would it like disable like that, right? But like whatever, whatever. Um, Set lantern. Yeah, so set lantern active here. I need to have not really 1 second. Should be more. Yeah, I think actually let's put it free, for example. Let's put free crash. And then let's put one lantern off. So now we do the animation. We also need to not like lantern set lantern disable. Yeah, true. So it's not gonna go do it back, and then here I need to also put it false. Nice. So lantern off, and that should do the trick. So we disable the lantern, and we have more time for the crash kind of thing. Right, so we can have like the sound. When is the sound actually? Dun-dun. Yeah, I like it. I think it's good. I like it. It's cool. It's unique. Um, Actually, let's put like 5 seconds. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching this. I don't really know if this was a bit enjoyable. Um, but yeah, let me know in comments down below. What do you think about this? And what should I improve on this? That's very important. Oh, I forget to change the scenery, my bad. Um, but yeah, I was just doing some HPS stuff here. But yeah, let me know. Let me know what you think about it, and if you would like to see something different. Um, Maybe you can help me with some idea on that, expand on that, or yeah, just let me know. See ya.